I hope everyone had a great day detailing and a great day otherwise doing whatever it is you love to do. We're doing another unboxing video. I'm going to be doing these every week. I'm going to set up a playlist. I think this is a great way to show my clients what I'm using in the shop and also share with fellow detailers what's working for me. So, item number one from Car Supplies Warehouse, I got us some gloves. These are super important. If you're not using gloves, you need to start using gloves. Saves your hands. This is going to be a short one. I didn't get too many items, but the items I did get were all bulk items. So I think I mentioned in the last video, if I didn't, I'll mention it now. I got a small bottle of wet coat to try it out. Man, this is amazing stuff, guys. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all got to give it a try. This is a $35 add-on here. 3 months of protection. Great stuff. Makes your car super slick, which keeps everything from sticking to it. So the slicker that surface is, the easier the beads will just fly off of it. The easier it'll be to remove bird droppings because they won't be able to stick to the paint. And this stuff, unbelievable slickness. You've got to try it if you haven't. Also in from G-Technic, C4 Trim Restore. This is a great product, another great add-on for cars that have black trim that want a more permanent solution. This doesn't leave a really glossy look. It leaves a nice subtle factory look. Restores your trim if it's faded and protects it if it's new. So really good. It's a winner either way, whether you need to restore or you just want to protect. And I love this stuff. This is Shine Off from P&S Rennie Doyle Special. For those of you guys that don't know, Rennie Doyle is the owner and founder of P&S Products. Someone correct me if I'm wrong there. I'm pretty sure I am correct though. Rennie Doyle, really cool dude. If you don't know about him, he is the official detailer of Air Force One. Really cool dude. Check out P&S Products when you get a chance. Finally, stepped up to the big bottle of ONR. I use this on all my washes because the lubricity it adds is amazing. And for those of you who aren't familiar with my methods and my thought process of washing, lubricity is king in my world. The slicker that surface is, the easier it is for me to wash all the grime off safely without scratching your car. So you'll probably hear me say the word lubricity a lot if you come up here to get your vehicle detailed, or even if you're just having a detailing conversation with me. Alright, last item, Iron X. I got a slightly bigger bottle. Next order I get, I'm going to try to get a bottle this size, because Iron X is super important to all my ceramic coating and paint corrections. This is, when you hear the term chemical decontamination, this is what they're talking about. If you got a lot of little rust spots in your paint, this is what will get it off. Iron X in conjunction with a clay bar will remove all those little, they're not rust spots, what they are, it's iron that's coming off your brake pads and other brake pads from other drivers on the road, and it's sticking to your paint. And when that happens, it starts to clog up the pores of the paint. It also doesn't let stuff like this properly adhere to the surface, to the clear coat. It doesn't let it cross-link as it should. So an item like this, it's supposed to give you 3 months. If your paint is contaminated, needs a clay bar, needs a chemical decontamination, this will only give you a month, maybe 2 weeks even. It's hard to say. That's why it's always important to ask your detailer, hey, does my car need a decontamination? We'll let you know regardless, but it's always important for you to ask as well. Did you decontaminate my car before you put that wax on it? Because if they didn't, then you're probably not going to get the full life of that wax. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Go, detailer, go.